Football lovers, welcome to my family. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs. If the Australian club is interested in March, should be SV right because it's the one that loves African players. Even Antonin Van Reid joined them from Stellenbosch FC, and this is the one club is newly promoted to Australian Premier League. But let's wait and see what will happen if Kaizer Chiefs let him go or keep him. But Yusuf Maad is no longer a free agent anymore. If they sold him out, then there will be an opportunity to get Faisal Salam or Zoti match by it. Should Kaizer Chiefs sell him or keep him? For more Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs.